If you want to close your Facebook account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is deleted properly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Facebook website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the screen on the website or tap the 3 horizontal lines in the app to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to your Facebook information. In the left sidebar, find and click on your Facebook information. This section contains options related to your account data and privacy. Step 4. Choose Deactivation and Deletion. Look for the option that says Deactivation and Deletion. Click on it to see the options for temporarily deactivating or permanently deleting your account. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Select Permanently Delete Account, then click Continue to Account Deletion. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision and enter your password if required. After completing these steps, your Facebook account will be scheduled for deletion. Remember that it may take some time for all your data to be removed from Facebook servers.